Hey there, lovebirds and love seekers. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the secret sauce to a thriving, long-lasting romantic relationship. It's true, relationships take work, but with a little effort, understanding, and daily practice, you can create a bond with your partner that stands the test of time. So, whether you're in a blossoming romance or a long-term commitment, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, we'll be sharing 20 daily habits that can help you build and maintain a strong and healthy relationship. These habits are designed to foster communication, trust, and emotional intimacy, providing you with the essential tools to navigate the complex world of love and partnership. So, grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and get ready to learn how to enhance your romantic connection and make your love life even more amazing. Let's dive in. Communicate openly. One of the most important habits to build a strong romantic relationship is open communication. Make sure you're regularly discussing your thoughts, feelings, and concerns with your partner. This will not only help you both understand each other better, but also create a solid foundation of trust and intimacy. Remember, a relationship is a partnership, and clear communication is key to staying connected. Show appreciation. You know those little things your partner does for you? Don't take them for granted. Express your gratitude and acknowledge their efforts in making your relationship stronger. A simple thank you or I appreciate you can go a long way in making your partner feel valued and loved. Plus, it encourages more positivity and kindness in your relationship. Practice active listening. When your partner speaks, don't just hear them, listen to them. Give them your full attention, make eye contact, and respond thoughtfully. Active listening shows your partner that you genuinely care about their perspective and feelings. So, the next time they open up, make sure you're all ears. Prioritize quality time. Life can get busy, but setting aside dedicated time each day to connect with your partner is crucial. Whether it's sharing a meal, watching your favorite show, or taking a walk together, make sure you're enjoying each other's company without distractions. This will strengthen your emotional bond and keep the spark alive. Share physical touch. Physical touch is a powerful way to communicate love and affection. Hug each other, hold hands, or cuddle up while watching a movie. These simple gestures can help maintain a strong emotional connection and make you both feel more secure in your relationship. Maintain a healthy work-life balance. It's important not to let work or other obligations overshadow your relationship. Set boundaries to protect your time together and prioritize your partner. Remember, your relationship needs nurturing and attention, just like any other important aspect of your life. Keep the romance alive. Who doesn't love a little surprise now and then? Small gestures like love notes, flowers, or spontaneous date nights can make your partner feel special and cherished. These thoughtful acts of love help keep the romance alive and let your partner know you're thinking of them. Support each other's goals. A strong relationship is built on mutual support and encouragement. Be your partner's cheerleader in their personal and professional pursuits, and celebrate their achievements together. By backing each other's dreams and aspirations, you strengthen your bond and create a partnership that's truly inspiring. Resolve conflicts respectfully. Disagreements are a natural part of any relationship. The key is to address them calmly and constructively. When you approach conflicts with a willingness to understand your partner's perspective before trying to be understood, you create an environment where problems can be resolved with respect and empathy. Practice forgiveness. Nobody's perfect, and your partner will make mistakes, just like you will. Choose to forgive your partner for minor missteps and let go of grudges and resentment. This habit of forgiveness promotes a more loving and compassionate relationship where both partners can grow and learn together. Be open to compromise. In a relationship, it's essential to recognize that you won't always agree on everything. Be willing to find a middle ground when your preferences or opinions differ from your partner's. By demonstrating flexibility and understanding, you'll build a relationship that's balanced and harmonious. Cultivate shared interests. Doing things together that you both enjoy can strengthen your bond and create lasting memories. Whether it's trying out a new hobby, going on adventures, or binge watching your favorite show, make an effort to find and participate in activities you both love. Encourage personal growth. While you're building a life together, it's also important to support your partner's individual growth and self-improvement. Encourage them to pursue their passions and interests, and be there to cheer them on. By fostering personal growth, you contribute to a more fulfilling relationship where both partners can thrive. Express love regularly. Don't be shy to say those 3 magical words, "I love you." Tell your partner you love them every day, and show it through your actions and behaviors. Consistently expressing love helps create a nurturing and emotionally secure environment for both of you. Maintain a sense of humor. Laughter is an incredible stress reliever and mood booster. Make an effort to laugh together and find joy in life's small moments. Sharing a sense of humor can help lighten the mood, foster connection, and create a more enjoyable atmosphere in your relationship. Be honest and transparent. Trust is a cornerstone of a strong relationship, and honesty is the best policy. Always be open and truthful with your partner, even when it's difficult. Being honest and transparent builds trust and creates a safe space for vulnerability, allowing your relationship to flourish. Show empathy. Put yourself in your partner's shoes and try to understand their emotions and experiences. Offering support and showing empathy during difficult times can make a world of difference, helping to create a more loving and supportive relationship. Be a good friend. A strong romantic relationship is often built on a foundation of friendship. Treat your partner with the same respect, kindness, and loyalty you'd show a close friend. This will help to create a solid bond that can weather the ups and downs of life. Practice self-care. Taking care of your own physical, emotional, and mental well-being is essential for maintaining a healthy relationship. By practicing self-care, you ensure that you're able to be present and supportive for your partner. Remember, a strong relationship starts with a healthy and happy you. Reflect and grow together. Periodically evaluate your relationship and discuss areas where you'd like to grow and improve. Set goals for growth and work together to achieve them. This process of reflection and mutual growth helps to keep your relationship fresh and dynamic, ensuring that you continue to thrive as a couple. And there you have it, folks. Those were the 20 daily habits that can help you build a strong and lasting romantic relationship. Remember, relationships are a beautiful journey of growth and discovery, and by incorporating these habits into your daily life, you can foster a deeper connection, better communication, and a more loving partnership with your significant other. We hope you found this video insightful and inspiring. Don't forget to put these habits into practice and see the positive impact they can have on your relationship. We'd love to hear how these habits are working for you, so please share your experiences in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Until next time, keep nurturing your love and remember, the strongest relationships are built one day at a time.